Hi guys, and welcome to Fix Savers. Today we're doing another in our series of heat pump videos. In this particular video we're looking at Senville heat pumps and how to install the USB dongle, which is this unit right here, and this will enable you to connect to the Senville app. So let's look at mounting this inside the indoor unit. So first stage, make sure the unit is switched off. Next we need to open the front panel of the unit. There's usually two clips on the outer edge here, and there's either one clip in the center or sometimes two clips depending on which model you have. So we need to unclip this, starting with the two on the outside. Then just lift it up. And so on the underside of the lid you should see you've got a panel that looks a little bit something like this here. And our little dongle is going to be slid into the end just here. So now grab hold of the dongle, and what you want is you want the side with the Senville logo on it, as opposed to the back. The side with the Senville logo should be facing up. So with the dongle securely plugged in, we can now reclose the lid. And then close the lid, making sure you note how many clips you've got. As I said before, we've got a clip on either corner. And on this particular head unit, we have two center clips. Now all of these little dongles, they come with this little Mac ID barcode sticker, and you're going to need that during the setup once you've downloaded the app onto your phone or your tablet. So it's a good idea to keep this somewhere that's safe. So a good idea, what we always do is we actually stick these on just under here, and so that it's always on the head unit itself, and that head unit is going to relate obviously to the particular dongle that's installed inside the lid. So there you go guys, that's the physical part of it. Now you can go ahead and you can download the Senville app, and that should give you full control, complete with timings for your Senville heat pump. If this video has been helpful for you, can you ask a quick favour in return just before you leave us? At the very least, please be sure to hit that like button for us. If you can consider subscribing, we've got loads more great content on our channel waiting for you to check out. Thanks again guys, we appreciate it, we'll see you again.